Hey guys, it is January the 7th, 2025, and today I'm at the Visitor Center for the Gulf State Park here on Lake Shelby. They have a visitor center there with a little store. They have Segway tours from there. Here at the park, they have a dog park that's fenced in area right there in front of us. That is on Lake Shelby. At the entrance to the dog park, there are some kennels where you can keep your dog. It's got a little area to clean them up. Here are the rules for the dog park. Oh, I was wrong. They've taken the kennels out. They used to have little holding areas, I thought. It's just the gate to get in. Got that side, got a fence separating, and a side over here. I don't know if we'll be able to peek through the slats enough to see or not. But do have an area to rinse your dog off and some bags. Lake Shelby, across the way there is the Gulf State Park. You can see the cabins there in the distance. As with all waterways down here, Lake Shelby does have alligators, so be aware of that. They have some kayaks you can rent. You can fish here. It's got a little playground, picnic areas, and an entrance into the U.S. Branyon Backcountry Trail System. Across Beach Boulevard from the Visitor Center here at Lake Shelby is the Gulf State Park, the Lodge. It's actually beachfront over there. There is another walkway, a walkover that goes over Beach Road there, and that trail system ties into the U.S. Branyon Backcountry Trails down on the east end of this park. This little pedestrian bridge that goes over Beach Boulevard will take you over to the Gulf State Park Pier, the Lodge, and the beachside restaurant. And the trail going ahead of us here leads to the Interpretive Center, the Beach Pavilion, the Campground Center, and the Nature Center over at the campground. Another cold morning today in Gulf Shores. It's 31 degrees with a wind chill of 23. Don't like that. I'm ready for spring and summer. They've got little covered picnic areas around the park here, barbecue grills, jogging and bike trails. There are some restroom facilities right there. A kid's playground area. Fishing license is required to fish. They have a little kids play area for ages 2 to 5. And then a bigger kids play area. Lots of swings and climbing toys. Don't believe I've ever seen a swing like that. It's like 3 swings combined by a giant braided rope seat. Here comes the sun through the clouds this morning. And always be aware, anywhere there's standing water, there's the potential for alligators. Here are some more of those bicycles that the state park provides, like at the beach pavilion. Pick up a bicycle and then drop it back off at one of the drop-off stations around the park. Trail here turns into the U.S. Branyon Backcountry Trail System that goes from Gulf Shores all the way into Orange Beach and through the Gulf State Park campground. Another little covered picnic area up here. Always like this little area with the trees. There's the sun. The sound of the lake lapping up against the shore there. again, that's just a quick little look around here at the Lake Shelby Visitor Center for the Gulf State Park. Thank you for watching the videos, the daily vlogs. Again, January the 7th, 2025. See you tomorrow. Side of the dog park is a little boat launch out into Lake Shelby.